Hello everyone, welcome back to Joe's Fine Coffee Home Barista Edition. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Lungo using our Mount Shexin beans. It's a medium blend that has been freshly roasted, which will give us that nice crema when pulling our shots. We're going to start by weighing out our beans. A Lungo is typically a 1-to-3, even a 1-to-4 ratio, meaning you input 1 part coffee, the output is 3 parts espresso. So here I'm going to start by weighing out 18 grams of beans, and the goal is to extract 54 grams of espresso. So after I weighed that out, that is going to go into the hopper, which otherwise is empty. And then I'm going to put my double shot basket into my portafilter and start grinding the beans. I have my grind size set to 6. When you're pulling a Lungo, you want your grind to be more coarse. This will allow water to flow more easily through your coffee puck, creating that Lungo shot. However, you don't want it to take 15 or 16 seconds to pull the shot. You still want it to take about 25 to 30 seconds with an extraction of about 54 grams. And when you're tamping your coffee, make sure you're using a consistent amount of pressure that's parallel to the surface that you're tamping on, so you get a nice coffee puck like that. Next up, we are going to pull our shots. I have a scale underneath so I can measure exactly how much espresso is coming out. And when you press and hold on that double cup button, it'll switch to manual, meaning the shot will keep pulling until you press that button again. And I'm also right away getting a timer going so I can keep track of how long it takes to pull this shot. And it is coming out great, not too fast, not too slow. You have some nice crema on there. This ended up taking me about 28 seconds to pull, and I got 55 grams of espresso out of it. And that is all there is to it. I will leave a link down below to our website if you want to buy our Shexin beans. Hope you guys learned something. Let me know if you have any questions about this.